How to turn on dark mode on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can turn on dark mode on Snapchat. In order to turn on dark mode on Snapchat, so Snapchat has actually recently updated features, so you'll be able to enable it into dark mode. So to begin with, first of all, open up your Snapchat application. So once you open up your Snapchat application, it's going to direct you to the home page. So here what you need to do is tap on the Bitmoji icon from the top left hand side corner, go to the gear icon while you're on the profile page. After that, scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see app appearances. So click on it. After that, you can see the three different options, that is either you can make it in light mode or maybe dark, or you can also customize the app theme as well. Select either one of this and tap on restart now. Once you've done that, go to your chats, and as you can see, you have successfully enabled dark mode on Snapchat. Similarly, if you want to turn it off, tap on the profile icon, go to the gear icon once again and tap on app preferences and select always light. That's gonna change your theme, and that is how you can turn on dark mode on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.